Good morning students. This lesson is of class 5 for the subject of geography, in which chapter 9 weather and climate is continued with the explanation of the topic the factors that affect the climate of a place. Students, we have already discussed the factors latitude and altitude in the previous week. This week we will be discussing the another factors such as distance from the sea, direction of the wind and precipitation. So all the students may please keep their geography books and notebooks ready as we are going to start our today's topic. First factor is distance from the sea. It is the another important factor that affects the climate of a place. Areas closer to the sea experience moderate climate, means it is neither too hot nor too cold in these areas. In summer, sea breeze keeps the place cool, while in winter the sea breeze warm up the place. For example, in Mumbai, during the day, cool air keeps the temperature low. But at night, the warm air does not let the temperature to drop much. This keeps the temperature of the places located near the sea is moderate. Therefore, the temperature in Mumbai or coastal areas does not drop much during winter season. The places away from the sea do not receive such sea breeze, so these places experience cold winters and hot summers. Second factor is direction of the wind. The direction of the wind also plays an important role in influencing the temperature of a place. The climate of an area depends on the winds. Winds blowing from hot areas raise the temperature of a place, while the winds blowing from cold areas lower the temperature. For instance, hot winds blowing from Rajasthan make Delhi and the western Uttar Pradesh very hot during summers, while the winds coming from Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean brings monsoon. So the winds blowing from cold or hot regions make a place cold or hot. Sea breeze blows from a sea to land called onshore wind, and land breeze blows from land towards sea is called offshore wind. As we have read a small part of today's topic, now we will recall the topic by means of a short test. So you can pause the audio or video of this lesson for 3 minutes and write down the answers in your geography notebooks. Question 1. Name the cities in India which experience moderate climate. Question number 2. Write the another name of sea breeze and land breeze. Let us discuss the answers now. Answer 1. Mumbai and Chennai. Answer 2. Sea breeze is called onshore wind and land breeze is called offshore wind. Let us now discuss about the third factor, precipitation. Precipitation is rainfall or snowfall which depends upon the humidity in the atmosphere of a place. Humidity is the amount of moisture or water vapor present in the air. It is caused due to evaporation of water from the earth's surface. Greater humidity leads to great amount of rainfall which influences the climate of a place. For example, during summer, rapid evaporation of sea or ocean water causes heavy rainfall in coastal areas. During winter, if temperature dips below the freezing point, then excessive humidity causes snowfall. Humid weather can be very uncomfortable during summer as it causes sweating. So let us revise with what we have learned today. So you need to solve exercises A and B, which are given on page number 57 of your textbook, Time Tech 5. Answer key will be sent to you on 20th May 2021. Thank you.